In the nooks and crannies of my heart lies a story of love torn apart. A feathered friend so loyal and true, now gone forever, and I'm lost without you. You were more than just a precious bird, a companion, my confidant, a voice heard. For 16 years we walked this road, but with one careless mistake, your wings no longer soar. Fly, my darling, fly high and free, bathed in sunlight and love's sweet melody. Gone too soon, my heart aches in despair, tears of grief and pain.